Hi everyone, today I am making very easy eggless chocolate French toast. For that first we'll take a bread and cut into 2 slices. Now grind these Bourbon biscuits. For slurry, take milk, corn flour, vanilla essence, crushed Bourbon biscuits and mix it properly and keep it aside. Now heat a pan and add butter. Now dip bread into a slurry and place it in a pan. Now cook it till it turns golden brown from both the sides. Cook it into a low-medium flame and keep it flipping. Now this process will take 3 to 4 minutes. You can see it is golden brown and it is ready. Now for topping, take icing sugar, crushed Bourbon biscuit and some milk and make a slurry. Now place the bread on the platter. Now top it with the syrup. Now enjoy this easy chocolate French toast. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.